Okay, we are about to take down these twists. They've been in my hair for 2 days. Today is Monday. Oh my goodness. Okay, first of all, I know the light is horrible. So, yeah, that's decent. But anyway, I completely forgot to do an intro to this video. So, this is that intro. This is basically just me showing you me taking down my twist and the results. So if you would like to see how I achieved these beautiful results, oh, yes, girl. If you would like to see how I achieved these results, stay tuned for the rest of this video and you will see exactly how I achieved it. Well, maybe not how, that'll be a separate video. But you will see me taking down these twists and how I did so. Okay, but I did forget to also say, please don't forget to like this video, give it a thumbs up. That helps me out tremendously because it allows my videos to rotate in suggestions for videos. Next, please don't forget to subscribe. That might just be most important. And also share. All those are a triple threat, and I really would appreciate it if you could do all three for me. And please leave down in the comment section below any thoughts or suggestions on the next video, if you have any questions about this hair and things like that. And please stay tuned because I will have a vlog coming up soon, and I will also be doing another video which will be a tutorial of me doing this twist if you like it. So let me know that you do like it and I will come with that video. But this is 2020, my first video of 2020, brand new year. So let me get it straight. Brand new year, brand new me. I'm not breaking resolutions because I feel you can make a change anytime, any day. It's all about the mindset. So not only is this a hair journey, but I'm also going on a weight loss journey as well. So y'all pray for me that I have the willpower. I'm going to do that in a daily discussion, hopefully coming up sooner. But please stay up on it and up on me, because this year I believe is going to be a better year and I'm going to be more persistent on YouTube. I'm going to follow my dreams regardless of how long it takes me to get to where I need to get to. And I want to give a huge shout out to all my family, all my friends, and even those that I don't know that have subscribed and have supported me. Y'all have been a huge blessing through all the stuff that I've been through in the past few months. Y'all know what it is. You know who you are. But I love y'all. I thank you. You're all amazing. And I couldn't do anything without you all. So this is a long enough intro because I got to get to my doctor's appointment. But hopefully you like. And I will see you in my next video. So please stay tuned. Tap that little bell notification so you never miss an upload whenever I upload a video. Okay? Until next time, y'all pray for me as I will pray for you. Don't forget to share a smile with a stranger, but make certain you don't get too friendly. It's crazy nowadays. But share the love of Christ with someone. Know that I love you from West Virginia, obviously. And we send you love and prayers and good vibes. Until next time, see you in my next video. Love you. Alright, y'all. So here I am basically just doing a talk through until the end. I'm just showing you the products that I use for my twist, which is the Creme of Nature Pure Honey line, Knot Away Leave-In Conditioner, and the Taliah Waajid Curl Cream, which is what I actually use to twist my hair. And actually about both of those products, I'll discuss a smidget about it. The Taliah Waajid Curl Cream. Sorry, I had to think of the name again. It actually, I really liked it. It's my first time using that. I believe I've used her products before. Well, not products, product. And I believe it was actually a detangler. Granted, it's been a while, but from what I remember, I mean, it works pretty good. But I just wanted to try something different for my twist. Really quick, that's just biotin and collagen oil that I rubbed on my hands and on my hair to try to keep down the frizz. But continuing with what I was saying, I just wanted to try a different product on my hair. So this is the first time using this for my twist. And to be honest, I must say I really, really, really like it. Like, you can see the definition there. It left no flakes. It was thick enough for my hair. It was not too heavy, but it was not lightweight. So that works really good for me and my hair texture. I actually have several different hair textures. Well, more like 3. But anywho, and I think it was actually probably, I'm not going to say that this was my best twist out, but definition wise, like how the product was used was really good. So I will be doing it again, and I will be using the same products, and I will be doing an actual tutorial because I did not get to actually show you the process. I believe I will insert a clip in here. It might already be in the beginning before I do this part, or it might be after this part. But I had done the process of showing you all, and then obviously it was a recording and was not doing all that over. So yeah, but I did get one really good one in to show you how I actually did it. But anyway, in the Creme of Nature Pure Honey Not Away Detangler, I really, really like that because it's also used as a leave-in, and that's what I use with my hair. I did wash, I shampooed, I conditioned, and I deep conditioned, and then I went in with the leave-in conditioner and the cream. And once again, I'm just showing you what my twists are looking like now that I've taken them down. And I just speed it up so you can be done with it, hearing me talk until I show you the results. Okay, y'all, I am back with the finished look of my twist out. These are the results. I didn't do too much separating, and just kind of like finger fluffing it. It is day 1, and I'm liking it. I'm really liking it. But just a quick overview. The products I used was Taliah Waajid. At least I hope I'm saying the last name correct. But if not, there you go. And it's their Curly Curl Cream. And it's the first time I've tried it. And I just wanted to try something different. This is my first time doing a twist out in like 3 months. Because the past 2, I have blow dried my hair. And done a blowout and kind of left it like that. So it's really good to see my hair back like this because I missed it, and y'all know I'm the twist out queen. That's basically all I do. But anyway, I'm really loving it. I'm loving the way it turned out, the volume. There's no flakes, if you can see, which I know the lighting isn't great. I actually did get a new ring light, woo woo, although it's not plugged in at the moment, so yeah, it doesn't really help. But anyway, enough rambling. That was the only product used. Well, actually, I did use Creme of Nature's Knot Away leave-in conditioner detangler. And so after washing my hair and deep conditioning, I went back in with this. And I just, spritz my hair and put some of that in, and then I use this to create my twist. And as you can see, it has really good definition, and it feels so soft. It's movable. Oh, let me not do that. Okay, I'm gonna try to turn around and show you the back, but here's like a side view. Granted, I'm not certain how the back looks. Might look a hot mess. I hope not. But as long as the front is cute, we're good. Because I actually have a doctor's appointment in less than 40 minutes. So that's why I did the rest of taking it off and everything off camera. So I could finish getting dressed, which I am dressed. This is it. Earrings in, and I am ready to go. Very simple. So yeah, but hopefully I can keep you updated on how this lasts and how long it lasts. Because hopefully I will be doing a vlog probably tomorrow, because I have a doctor's appointment today. I have one tomorrow, and then I have one on Wednesday. So 3 days in a row. But anyway, that's enough rambling, and this video is already long. I only wanted to be maybe like a 7-minute video, so hopefully I can speed up the process. Oh, and I did not show the process of me actually doing it. I kind of did, but then it wasn't recording and I didn't know, and I got frustrated, and I was just like, forget it. But there is one clip that I did do that you can actually see me do an actual twist. So if you do, I will insert that as well. But if you do like this, if you like the results, if you would like to know anything about it, any questions, anything, just let me know down in the comment sections below, and I'll be glad to give you my opinion and everything like that. But all in all, I like it. I hope you like it. I hope you like this video, and hopefully I'll see you all in the next one. In the next one, if you do like this, please put in the comment below, and I will show you exactly how I achieved this twist out and what I did and all that fun stuff. Okay, enough with the ands. I'm cutting it short. Alright, so I gotta get out of here, so we're done. But I'll talk to you soon. Be blessed.